Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Chris Mateo, and I want to show you how we help consultants, influencers, and coaches automate their businesses and be able to work less and be able to make more money from the following they've already generated. So what we do is we have a proprietary software and system called iDaydream.io, and this software allows you to do a lot of really cool things and takes about 17 to 20 different applications out there in the world and brings it all together into one main platform. And what we do is help optimize the points in the business that are not fully automated. And we put together this system with great employees that are trained well on the system on how to work and make the sale happen as smooth as possible. So let's get right into it. This is the dashboard. This is where you would see all the numbers that's going on. This is just an example account right here. And this you would see like 51 opportunities. That's 51 people in the pipeline. This is the value. If we set a value for how much each lead is valued to us, it would tell us the value of that. And then it'll say conversion rate of how many people actually close. So one of the best pieces of software on this piece is the text messaging aspect and the communications, because you can actually communicate with multiple different styles of communication, meaning you can have text messages here. You can send a text message from here from a phone number for your business. So now your business has its own communication, and customers are no longer calling you on your cell phone or calling anybody else on their personal lines. You have all access to this software that creates that phone number for you and records the phone call. So I can actually listen to my sales rep talking to different people. I can actually see the emails, the text messages, and all of it in one stream here. So I don't have to go into the text messaging app. I don't have to go into the DMs for Facebook or Instagram or to emails to find out what's going on with my leads. I can actually just go right into their name, look at the conversation, and see what's going on. Amazing, amazing. Here you have your opportunities. So this is an actual pipeline. So you can change out the pipelines that you have here on what you want to present. And basically, when you have a new client or a new customer, you can push them through this whole process and set up automations at each layer of the process. So now when someone is a lead, you can have an onboarding or a lead form, like to build trust, to get to know you, things of that nature. So to show you guys an example here, this is like a workflow process. So when we get a lead from Facebook, someone submits their name, email, and phone number. They're assigned a user on our software from someone from our staff. We get an internal notification saying, hey, we just got a new lead. The system waits a second, and then it gives them a call. Their phone, my phone starts to ring, or my sales rep's phone starts to ring, and it says press 1 if you want to speak to this lead. I press 1, and I get to talk to that lead. Then they get a voicemail saying, hey, make sure you book your appointment if you haven't already. They get a text message and an email, and this is all automated, going off as soon as they give us their name, email, and phone number. And this allows you to stay in tune with the client and with the customers all the way through. And then the last couple things here that I want to jump into is the campaigns. This is how the actual text messages, emails, and phone calls that are going out. And this is what happens, that we are able to create campaigns because as business owners, we're constantly doing the same things. We're constantly onboarding people. We're constantly sending out reminders for their consultations and things of that nature. This stuff automates all of that and makes it so that it's doing it for you and you don't have to do it yourself. So it's kind of like having its own employee. You get access to putting your calendars in here, so it takes over Calendly. It takes over your emails, like I just said, with emails like MailChimp. So this takes over for MailChimp. And then you have contacts. So this is your CRM. This is where all your clients, all your customers live, and you can actually click on them and look at the info, their general info, any additional info. If they filled out a form, you can actually take notes, attach them to sales reps, to different people on your staff, and check out what appointments they have. And that's pretty much it. Let me see what I got last. And last but not least, you got funnels, websites, and membership. So funnels allow you to get specific information, name, email, and phone numbers. Websites allow you to get a lot more detail about stuff. And then you have memberships where you can actually do training programs on different type of things. So I really would love to tell you more about this system and how we help 7-8 figure entrepreneurs take it to the next level with creating automations and freedom in their business. So click the link below and let's book a time to talk a little bit more about our system and what we could do to help 10x your business. Thanks. Bye-bye.